I want to walk you through some of the crucial elements of a landing page. I'm not going to get into all the reasons for why use a landing page instead of your website, but I'll give you a few important ones. One is we can't A/B test your website easily. B, your website could go down, your website could be slow, your website wasn't designed by someone who knows anything about conversion. So a lot of reasons not to use your website. One of the main reasons that we talk about it is we know landing pages, you're going to hold us responsible for performance of your campaigns. Just go along. Use a landing page. So some of the things that we strive to include in a landing page, and I want to tell you that we're not trying to duplicate your website. We're trying to create a landing page that has the look and feel of your brand. We spend a little bit more time than some agencies do in the landing page. We just prefer to do it that way. Not saying whether it's right or wrong. So what are you looking for? First of all, you got your brand. There's the logo. There's a phone number. Now that phone number is a tracking number. It's not your actual phone number. It's part of a pool that allows us to track that. There's all kinds of reasons that we use that. The primary reason is that when that page loads and that tracking number pops up, it fires a piece of JavaScript that's going to fire back into what converts our call tracking solution, the keywords, the time of day of the week, the length of the call, everything about that call. And it's going to fire a conversion into Google Ads. So boom, we have all that stuff connected. You're not wondering where your phone calls came from. So we have the phone number, it's a tracking number. Right up here in the headline, the top of the page to us is always a billboard. If you're driving by, you want to see this information right here. So it's a headline. Here's what we do. Here's where we are. Here's features and benefits. Here's a form. Oh, you don't want to call? Fill out the form. We make these fields required. We put just enough information in there to give you an idea of what the client wants or the prospect wants without having to create a lot of friction, so that they're entering a whole lot of information so that they don't want to fill out the form. This way they can fill out a form at 3 o'clock on Saturday morning if they want to, as opposed to calling your phone number when you're not there. Now the About Us, we're going to personalize a little bit. We're going to hopefully include a picture view. We're going to talk about your services. Ideally, we're going to use some actual photos from your business, from your Google My Business page to personalize it. Yes, we use some stock images, but ideally we're going to use as many real images as possible. We have multiple calls to action throughout the page. We've got testimonials. We've got the phone number again. We've got another call to action. It's going to take you back to the forum. We've got the map at the bottom. Everything you need right there. Let's not talk about your website anymore. These are the top elements of a high-performing landing page. This one's doing great. Your business will do great. If you're in the junk removal business, check us out. If you're landscaping, roofing, whatever, same thing. Check us out. Talk to you again soon. I'm Mark Kelly with Inbound Revenue. Remember to subscribe, like the video, comment, reach out.